Nah, don't distort it, Ed.
I feel like I see noise.
Nah.
And I have Peter McKinnon's filter, of course.
That's your problem. You're shooting with Peter McKinnon filter. I'm using the Dobo filter.
And then you would get more and more adventurous, and you would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. And finally, you would dream where you are now. You would dream the dream of living the life that you are actually living today. That would be within the infinite multiplicity of choices you would have, of playing that you weren't God. Because the whole nature of the Godhead, according to this idea, is to play that he's not. The first thing he says to himself is, man, get lost. The ultimate reality, not God in a politically kingly sense, but God in the sense of being the self, the deep down basic whatever there is. And you're all that, only you're pretending you're not.
What's good, everybody? Welcome to the vlog. I am in PA, again, winter time. Thought I would take advantage of the winter to do a little bit of FPV flying. I haven't really flown anything sort of cold weather. It's about 30 degrees up here. They are expecting snow on Monday. Won't be in time for me to see it. I'm leaving in the morning, but really cool location. There's some train tracks right here. Beautiful bridge, and because there's an overcast, we're getting a really nice reflection. It's sort of eerie, almost like a drab day, but I think this is gonna be cool. It's gonna make for some good footage. I brought 0 Mavics with me, so if you were hoping for some Mavic Air, Mavic Mini content, not gonna get it today. I brought 0 of them. So let me get a quad in the air, because if you can't tell, my hands are shaking because I'm a Florida boy. Let's get started. Everything's sticking to it, Bill. Oh, I don't even know how shaky that is. Oh. Oh, Fuji autofocus. Breath of fresh air. Oh, we're not supposed to be down here. We're trying to find a clearing. No, but seriously, I don't know, can you see my crotch? Let me see if I could help you see my crotch. I've got a filter on here, so it's hard. Ah! See? See, look at all this. Now I'm gonna spend half the trip just cleaning off my crotch. Ed, you okay back there, Ed?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just...
That's a great shot behind us. There's the pagoda.
Turn around.
This is an amazing shot. Dude, we're gonna dive that. We're gonna dive it. right, it's cold. It's cold. It's officially cold for me. All right, so that's gonna wrap up this trip to Philadelphia. It was really short. I was only here for 24 hours. Got a chance to fly Reading, PA. We went to the pagoda. Went to Harrisburg, which is the capital. Got the chance to do some flying. Sort of disappointed because right out of the gate, first thing in the morning, it was super foggy. You couldn't see anything. Visibility was like less than 3 feet at some points. So, and a lot of moisture makes it really, really hard to do any sort of really FPV flight when you can't see where the hell you're going. Plus, too, it's not safe. So finally, it cleared up and we were able to fly. So we're just sort of wrapping up the night here. We're at the Ben Franklin, classic spot, obviously, where we're always at. Billy's flying the Mavic 2 Pro, and I'm just sort of sitting here vlogging because I didn't bring any Mavics with me. So case in point why I will always travel with a Mavic, even though I want to travel light. I'm always going to bring the Air at least. At least I can get some cool photos at night, but sort of a relaxing day. I hope you guys enjoyed this trip, even though it was fast. I didn't get a lot of footage. I didn't get as much footage as I wanted to because of the fog, so sort of disappointing. Was it a waste? Sort of, not really. I could have waited to come up, I think. But, I don't know. Anyways, stay original. I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, at least you have a nice smile. Look at my dumb stupid. She's got to mock something on your face. See my skin, how oily it is? I have a nice skin. You know what? I got a friend that actually...